Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of motorcycles to uncover the cheapest options available in 2024. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Today, we're taking a look at top 7 cheapest motorcycles for 2024. Number 7. BMW G 310R. The BMW G 310R is a feisty little roadster that packs a punch both visually and in terms of performance. Think of it as a shot of espresso in motorcycle form, agile, energetic, and guaranteed to perk up your ride. Its design is sharp and modern with a minimalist silhouette that whispers street cred without screaming it. The headlights a narrow slit like a mischievous wink, and the whole package sits low to the ground, conveying a sense of coiled power. Think of a cheetah ready to pounce. Speaking of pounce, the G310R has got the engine to match its looks. A 313cc single-cylinder thumps away with 34 horsepower, which might not sound earth-shattering, but in this lightweight package, it's plenty to get your adrenaline pumping. Speaking of budget, the G310R starts around $4,995, making it an attractive option for new riders or those seeking a fun, nimble ride without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for a motorcycle that's equal parts style, performance, and affordability, the G310R might just be your perfect cup of joe on two wheels. Number 6. Yamaha MT3. Forget burly cruisers and grandpa vibes. The Yamaha MT3 is a motorcycle that packs a punch with a playful grin. This urban warrior isn't afraid to show off its sharp, edgy design. Imagine a muscular stance, a predator lurking in the city shadows, and you've got the MT3 silhouette. But don't be fooled by its aggressive looks. This bike is surprisingly nimble, purring through traffic with the agility of a cat under the seat. A 321cc liquid-cooled twin-cylinder engine thrums with life. It might not be a fire-breathing monster, but its 41 horsepower packs enough punch to keep things exciting without leaving you white-knuckled, and with a fuel tank that holds 14 liters, you can explore for miles before needing to refuel. Speaking of affordability, the MT3 won't break the bank with a starting price tag around $4,600. It's an accessible option for riders who crave a stylish, capable ride without sacrificing their savings account. So if you're looking for a motorcycle that's equal parts edgy and playful, the Yamaha MT3 might just be your perfect urban companion. Number 5. Honda Rebel 300. The Honda Rebel 300 rocks the low-slung, mean, and lean stance, but its modern design packs a punch of personality. Think blacked-out finishes, chunky tires, and a fat peanut tank that says laid-back, cool, not retirement village. Don't let the single-cylinder engine fool you. This little thumper kicks out a surprising 27 horsepower, enough to zip through city streets and cruise comfortably on the highway. Plus, its fuel-injected heart sips gas like a hummingbird, keeping your wallet happy. But wait, there's more. The Rebel 300's secret weapon is its easygoing nature. The low seat height and relaxed riding position make it perfect for beginners, while the nimble handling keeps things interesting for seasoned riders too. Now the price tag, buckle up, not for a wild ride but for a pleasant surprise. This Honda starts at a budget-friendly price of around $4,500, making it an accessible entry point into the world of two wheels. So if you're looking for a stylish, well-efficient, and easy-to-ride motorcycle that won't break the bank, the Honda Rebel 300 might just be your perfect partner in crime. Number 4. Royal Enfield Himalayan. The Royal Enfield Himalayan isn't your average motorcycle. It's more like a dirt-loving explorer with a mischievous glint in its headlight, built for both paved paths and the call of the wild. It shrugs off cityscapes and embraces adventure with the enthusiasm of a puppy on a hike. Think of it as a go-anywhere, do-anything kind of ride. Its design is rugged yet approachable, with a tall stance and chunky tires that whisper, "Let's get dirty." The engine, a 411cc dumper, might not win any drag races, but its low-end grunt pulls you through sand, mud, and whatever else you throw at it with unwavering determination. Think of the price tag starting around $4,500 as an investment in wanderlust. It's an open invitation to chase sunsets, conquer mountain passes, and get gloriously lost in the middle of nowhere. Sure, it might not be the flashiest motorcycle on the road, but for those who crave adventure over attention, the Himalayan is a trusty steed that begs to be ridden, not admired from afar. Number 3. Yamaha YZF-R 125. The Yamaha YZF-R 125 is a feisty little sport bike that packs a punch both in looks and performance without breaking the bank. It's a mini super sport with the aggressive head-turning design of its bigger R-Series siblings. The R125 isn't shy, sporting sharp lines, a tucked-in front fairing, and a tail section that screams speed. It's like a pint-sized MotoGP champ ready to rip up the streets, but don't be fooled by its size. The R125 125cc engine might seem small, but it's a rev-happy monster, churning out a surprising 15 horsepower that might not sound like much, but in this lightweight package it translates to thrilling zip and unexpected adrenaline rushes. Speaking of affordability, the R125 is surprisingly easy on the wallet with a starting price around $4,500. It's an accessible entry point into the exciting world of sport bikes. It's a motorcycle that won't leave you ramen broke, but will leave you grinning from ear to ear with every twist of the throttle. So if you're looking for a feisty, stylish, and budget-friendly way to experience the thrill of two wheels, the Yamaha YZF-R 125 might just be your perfect match. Number 2. Royal Enfield Classic 350. Forget chrome dreams and saddlebags. The Royal Enfield Classic 350's got so, and it's not afraid to show it. Its timeless design whispers a vintage charm with clean lines and a classic silhouette that wouldn't look out of place cruising down a sun-drenched highway or parked outside a trendy cafe. But beneath its retro looks lies a modern heart. The 349cc engine is a thumper, packing just enough punch with 20 horsepower to keep things interesting without sacrificing fuel efficiency. It's not a speed demon, but it's got enough oomph to handle city commutes and weekend jaunts with ease. Plus, the new twin-down tube chassis and disc brakes keep things stable and confident even on twisty roads. Now let's talk about the real charmer. The price starting around $4,200, the Classic 350 is an accessible entry point into the world of motorcycling with 6 variants and 15 color options to choose from. You can personalize your ride to match your style, whether it's understated elegance or bold rebellion. So if you're looking for a motorcycle that's equal parts classic, cool, and modern capability, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 might just be your perfect match. Number 1. Honda CBR 300R. The Honda CBR 300R is a feisty little sport bike that's all about carving corners with a grin, not leisurely Sunday strolls think many me of. Its bigger, meaner siblings packing a super sport punch in a pint-sized package. Underneath the sleek aerodynamic fairing lies a 286cc single-cylinder engine. That might sound small, but don't let its thumper heart fool you. It's got enough pep to put a smile on your face, offering a smooth, predictable power delivery that's perfect for both city commutes and canyon chases. But don't underestimate its bite. This single-cylinder pup packs a 30-horsepower punch, enough to propel you to speeds that might surprise you. It's not a rocket ship, but it's definitely got the zip to leave traffic in the dust. Now, let's talk about the price tag. This feisty Honda starts at around $4,000, making it an attractive option for first-time riders or those seeking a budget-friendly thrill machine. Think of it as an affordable gateway drug to the world of sport bikes. The hefty price tag. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.